So anybody that is planning statement that they send, because this thing I'm telling you now is the information. Anybody that is saying that they send information so that they will send to the police in US, they are all fair. Before they start this thing, we already in the front. Understand? The COS is going to say, you people don't know how I prepared concerning this. So I want to encourage all the Biafran that is panicking concerning that rumor, concerning those group, Ogenkere group, cutting where CEOs looking for information.
What to cut up?
US. So I want to tell all the people that they should not shake, they should not panic. Our COS is okay. Nothing they will send before they move Ogenkere and his own group try to bring COS down. They're not going to bring COS down. And they're not going to bring this Biafra government down. If they think in a COS, if they remove COS, that Biafra government will scatter, lie. Another person is already stand by. If they tell them say COS will stand by when someone ever move, they will not believe it because they thought that the woman will not rise. They thought that the woman will not stand against them. They thought that the woman will not wage war against them. They thought that the woman can push him and he run away. So that is what they believe. Understand? But now what they never see is not what they prepared. That is why they fight their last battle. And this is the last of them. When they follow this side, God will destroy them. When they follow this side, God will destroy them. So I want to encourage all the Biafrans. Nobody should panic. Nothing will happen in our COS. Our COS is okay. Eventually something happens to us, God will still raise somebody that is even worse than COS. So God is already prepared the journey. Nobody will stop it. Ogenkere. And that you are on. Remi choose a labu angene. And Shani that already fair woefully.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it. You see, this issue of COS, if anything is gonna happen to her or not, I don't ask that Nana Kama. No, also be fair, no, I give you a call about. Let me just leave it there.
Home. But when he falls on these people, women, he can't get you well for time. No, children, no, one ever on. On a laser attachment, other Kawasaki go ahead on a attachment. Other Kawasaki go higher. On a purity, also peable, what's one name my born? Well, I turned on it, which I say, none again. I will deal with these people one after the other. Okay. By the time I'm done with them, the one that stands that I feel the media warriors is not true. I will deal with these people one after the other. By the time I'm done with them, the one that stands that I feel the media warriors is not true. We are three, and we have our way of doing things. The one that stands that I feel the media warriors is not true. We are three. So, Ikengula Gunachineka Yama that na IPOB media warriors are criminals. Yes. Open on Ikengula Gosinapata. Which means he can't give Laguna Chine Kaimana, IPOB media warriors. They are criminals and terrorists.